life now, and it's only been not even 2 months. It has changed dramatically. I was in my front yard, in my backyard, going up and down a bit of a grade on the hills this weekend. I initially heard about Magnolia through my mom and dad. They both had been patients here from a few years ago, and even to, I think, as recent as last year. My dad actually was treated for what ultimately led me here. And he has had great results going on, I think, 7 years. So I was pretty optimistic. Before I came to Magnolia, there were days, depending on inflammation and things in my knee, that I could not walk in the grass in my front yard if it wasn't a level surface. I struggled to keep up with my 3 boys and just things that are required for normal life. Previously, the inflammation had just suddenly gotten way worse, and so I went to an orthopedic, had an MRI, and was told at the age of 39 that I needed a full knee replacement, which was kind of a stunner. I was not excited about that. It took me a long time to even process that and think through it, and so that just wasn't the direction I wanted to go in, and I wanted to see what else was available before making that kind of a decision and life-changing course of action. Since coming for my initial consultation, working with Kat and everyone else in the whole process, it's just been super easy and relaxing. Questions were answered really quickly. All of my questions and assumptions were addressed and worked through, and it just has been a really easy process, which is something that I had so much anxiety about. It was very relieving. Life now, and it's only been not even 2 months. It has changed dramatically. I was in my front yard, in my backyard, going up and down a bit of a grade on the hills this weekend, and able to keep up with friends that had come to stay, and just a little stiffness, a little thing, it's definitely something I can work with, and that's not stopping me from doing basic things. And I'm just excited about what continuing exercises at home and just getting back into life, what further gains I'll see eventually. I would definitely recommend Magnolia to anyone who isn't sure about conventional treatment, or who is looking for different answers, or just is already kind of in the world of seeking a different solution to common ailments and getting to the core and the bottom of an issue instead of just treating symptoms. It's been very great for me, and I'm very happy with what I've experienced here.